Look what I received from Laundry Turtle. This is a laundry bag, but it also comes with another bag as well, perfect for your delicate laundry. So you can put your underwear in it or socks or a bra and it'll stay in this bag. Perfect. And then you can just zip it up. It's a really nice mesh bag. But this is the Laundry Turtle. Now it feels really soft and has like a spandexy type material. And look how cool this is. Now it comes in this pocket. You just open it up just like this. And then it opens up just like that. Now, they have two different sizes. This is large, this is 26 inches, but they also have a small one too, which is 21 inches in diameter, depending on what size laundry you have. Now, how this works is you put this in your front-loading washer or your front-loading dryer, and then you rotate it, and then everything falls into place, and then there's handles on both sides, and then you can carry your laundry easily. Or if you have a front-loading washer, you can easily transport it into your front-loading dryer. And look how nice this is. So soft and stretchy too. Very easy to use. Now let me show you how easy it is to fold up. I'm going to hold it by where the bag is, and then I'm just going to twist it. And then it just twists into itself so easily. And then you just put it in just like this. And there you go. Simple as that. Definitely recommend it. So compact. And there's even a little hook right here so you can hang it up next to your laundry. Super simple. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.